This conference will now be recorded.
I will post this video in YouTube. So, tracing an agent. So, before I proceed with tracing, I'll make sure my advanced agent is up. I want to trace advanced agent because I do not want to take the risk of taking queuing items and then waiting into the table and all. I do not want to take the risk. I will directly trace the advanced agent. We have already kept there are some workup bits which are available with status pending. Advanced agent, when it wakes up, it will directly execute agent activity. I want to see that is being traced or not. How to trace it, I'll show you now. Okay. So first initially I'll show you quickly all the steps. Otherwise I'll show you slowly all the steps. Okay. Now if you want to trace an agent, first thing what you have to do is go to SMA, system, operations, and then system management application. Go to SMA. This navigation, local action, agent management, agents. Go to agents. The agent which you want to trace, choose the agent which you want to trace, because it has to be done so quickly, it will be difficult to do it. What agent? STATE, state one. Let's say this agent I want to trace. Okay. What you have to do is select this agent. It will not be traced now because it is a standard agent. There are no queue items. Next, the same thing I'll repeat using advanced agent. Quickly I'll do. Now you need to click on delay. Click on the button. Now click on the button delay. Okay. Who is Nitish 9 at our offline and classroom online? Nitish from Orissa. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన అతని పేరేంటి? Nisha. So now click on the button delay. So what happens when we click on delay? When we click on delay, this agent will get delayed for next 60 seconds. 60 seconds it will be delayed. During this time, we can get the requester name of the agent and trace its activity using remote tracer. Let me show you that now. So click on delay and go to requester management. Click on delay. Go to requester management. So here you need to search for that State Bank IMPL, right? Is it there, delayed one? How to identify, I'll tell you. Just refresh it once. So here you can see with the State Bank IMPL, if you search, you see this is the agent which is waiting up to 60 seconds. Now get the requester name of delayed agent. Now get the requester name of delayed agent and remote trace it. And remote trace. So now the requester name I will read out, like it is C64H. Go to here, tracer, open the tracer. Click on remote tracer. Click on remote tracer. In this drop down, you should see that. What is that? C6. C64H, right? Session expired. C64H. Okay, we will select it. I'll do it again. Okay, this is the navigation you have to choose the requester name of agent here. Okay, now it will trace it. Let me show you that practically. Now I don't bother about the standard agent. Let me go to advanced agent to trace it because I already have items. State Bank IMPL, I'm going to select. I will do it quickly, the navigations which I have shown you. First, let me start this one, right? Delay this. go to requester management and then search for the same. If you are not getting, refresh and see. It will be done quickly, so you should be quick. ఇక్కడ అప్డేట్ అవ్వడానికి టైం పడుతుంది. ఈ టైంలో అది అప్డేట్ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో వచ్చేస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ అప్డేట్ అవ్వదు. See Z66DK, right? Tracer, remote tracer. What is that? Z6. This one. Select this. Say OK. Now you keep this tracer open. When this is executed, it is going to show the execution what has happened. It will wake up and after delay is completed, it will execute its activity, right? That time it will be traced. Trace happened. It is being traced. OBJ browse, all that would have been executed. Commit with error handling, OBJ browse, all this has been. This is the way to trace an agent. Sorry, not same. That's it. This is a simple process. Now, if it is something failing, you will get the fail message, and accordingly, you have to debug the issue and then see the issue. This is the way to trace an agent.